My model Carla loves to use shimmer and color on her eyes, so Hey Sailor Shadow Quad was my first thought for her ideal, personalized color statement. To prep for Carla's eye look and really help the colors pop, shadow primer is applied and then a small amount of honey under eye concealer is added to customize the perfect shade for her complexion. Beginning with Carla's desk look, a light application of the shade Twig is applied using the dual fiber eye brush to her crease, then is deepened along the outer corner using the crease shader brush. Applying this shade first gives a base for easier blending later on. To add beautiful dimension, Linger is pressed, then blended into the lid using a clean crease shader brush. Keeping in mind Carla's love of color, Nightcap, a rich metallic navy, is applied to her lash line using the Petite Smudge brush, making sure to add a little more thickness to the outer corner, then softening the edges using the Detail Shader brush. The same shade is applied to the outer half of her lower lash line with the same two brushes, making sure to softly diffuse the shadow inwards using the Detail Shader brush. A generous amount of volumizing mascara is applied using the dual fiber lash liner brush, which helps separate lashes during application and apply pigment right to the base of each lash. Beginning with the lower lashes, then moving on to the upper lashes helps to prevent mascara from transferring to the lid. Using the powder blush brush, Melody is applied to the apples of Carla's cheeks and feathered outwards, which adds a perfectly flushed appearance. To complete her look, Precision Lip Pencil in the shade Natural is applied to her lips. Carla's desk look is a soft yet ideal representation of her preference of shimmer and color. And now, it's time to bump it up. To start, Nightcap is applied to the lash line using the Detail Shader brush. First, it is pressed into the lash line and outer crease, then blended with the dual fiber eye brush. By focusing on building color with a more dense brush, then blending the edges using a lighter brush, a stunning blue statement is made. To add a more focused pop of color and help define the eyes, Nightcap is also applied to the lower lash line using the Detail Shader brush. The final step is highlighting her inner corner with backlit using the Detail Shader brush, being sure to blend into Linger on her lid and Nightcap on her lower lash line. Touching up her cheeks, Melody is applied using the powder blush brush. A new application of Precision Lip Pencil in the shade Natural gives a perfect base for lip gloss in the shade Naked, a peach nude that adds dimension and gives a fuller look to the lips. Carla's looks make a statement, and they build her color story from an easy, polished look with a bit of color for day to a high color impact for date night.